YouTube, what is up? So today I've got the ESR Screen Protector. Now this is the Armorite Ultra Tempered Glass Screen Protector that comes with 3 screen protectors. It also comes with some camera protection and the Flawless Fit tray. I used to get the speeds because they had the tray with them, because with the trays it makes everything so much easier to apply. But with the 15 series, I don't know, they had some weird gunk that would collect on the side of the screens. When I saw that ESR came out with a Flawless Fit tray, I was like, I have to get it. Money, please! I checked it out. It is flawless. But you know what else would be flawless? Just a little tap, sub to my channel. Flawless, right? So what do you say? Let's get into it. So we have the Ultra Tempered Glass Screen Protector, and in all transparency, I already put on the screen protector. So I did this out in the dining room, you know, less dust, hardwood floors, you know, you do what you can living in Oklahoma, it gets dusty. You know, it comes with instructions, it comes, you know, with your little wipies and your little, you know, stickers and all that stuff. And it also comes with this camera cover, although I don't use the camera lenses that, you know, come with screen protectors. Personally, I don't feel you need it. I've never, knock on wood.
Who that? Who there?
They have the sapphire crystal glass, whatever. So I really haven't had any issues with that. But, you know, if it's something that you want, it comes with it. Oh, and it comes with this really cool little mat too to keep your, you know, phone from wiggling when you're trying to apply the applicator to it.
Yeah, well that's good.
Now, once you've cleaned the phone, get the little dust stickers, which is the only part of the screen protector process that I really, really enjoy. I don't know, something about those stickers are just fun for me. Then after your phone is cleaned, then you put it face down, making sure that the tray is face topped to go top on the phone, and then just push it on down, and then make sure that it adheres. And then you slowly pull the tab down. This may also take care of some dust that's left over on the screen. And then you run your finger down the middle of it, make sure that it adheres good. Slowly lift off the tray. And once you've lifted off the tray, just look for any bubbles and then just kind of smooth them out. Now, when I did it, you know, like I said, I always have an issue, but there was one piece of dust that was left on there. So, you know, I kind of picked it up, got my little sticker, popped it right back on. The application, it's really simple. It's edge to edge, it's, you know, scratch resistant. And I think they said, you know, it's, I don't know, military grade, drop protected. Now that's a word, I don't know. What exactly does that mean? They say military grade, I don't know. But they showed like a little 4-pound ball. Did I leave that part up? Yeah, 4-pound ball drop test. So they're dropping balls. They're dropping balls on their screen protectors. Feels good. It's fingerprint resistant. You know, I've had this on for, I don't know, a couple of weeks now. And it's not losing any of that finish or that smooth, you know, glass feel. I'm going to leave links in the description for this. It's about 20 bucks, which, you know, for 3 screen protectors, really, that's not too shabby. I'm really glad to see that companies aren't just giving that little, you know, that little rectangular, you know, thing that it's just supposed to drop on top of, because that never works. The Flawless Fit tray, that's where it's at. If you have a case, it does not interfere with the case, or the case doesn't interfere with the screen protector. You know, I've put on a couple of different cases on this phone, never have had an issue. Now, if you happen to be looking for a good case, I've got a video right here that ESR sent me out a couple of their 15 Pro cases. And let me tell you, the silicone case with the stash stand, that's gotta be one of my favorites. Peace and love, y'all.